How to create holiday cards using the HP Smart App and your HP Envy Inspire. The HP Smart App packs an amazing feature that lets you quickly create and print greeting and holiday cards with your HP Envy Inspire series printer right from your iOS or Android device. So, what's this feature all about? These look awesome. Let's try this out. Printing holiday cards with your HP Envy Inspire printer requires two-sided photo paper, such as HP 4x6 matte photo paper. Using the wrong paper could lead to ink smearing in your printer. To begin creating your own holiday or greeting card, on the HP Smart App, tap Print Photos, and then select the location of the photo you wish to use on your card. Tap 4x6-inch two-sided to create a double-sided card. Start with the front side of the card. On the top right of the image, tap the Options button and then select Edit. From the bottom, tap the Templates option and then choose your template. Make adjustments to your photo if needed. Tap Done to return to the Template Options screen. If you're satisfied with the template, tap Done. To change your template and choose a different one, tap Replace. Once you've selected the template, you can add text and change its font, color, background color, and alignment. You can also change the other photo settings. Tap Done at each stage to finalize and return to the two-sided preview screen. Tap Back to see the backside of your card. If you started with the front side first, HP Smart automatically applies a matching template to the backside. You can change the backside template by tapping the Options button on the top right corner and then selecting Edit. Tap Done at each stage to finalize the design and return to the two-sided preview screen. You can now print, share, or save your holiday card. Press the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.